This great bowerbird has spent over a decade building this collection of mostly man-made objects. Clothes peg, excellent. And a shiny toy car. The owner is back. A particular object has caught his eye. This is his chance. A real treasure, a scarlet heart. Got it. The stage is now set for female visitors. His luck may be in. He's showing off his best goods. Perhaps a little plastic piping, or maybe a bit of coloured string. But his guest doesn't seem to be paying much attention. A fork. Madame? Nothing seems to be working. Something is just not quite right here. But he still has one trick up his sleeve. The scarlet heart. But he's made a mistake. This is not a female, but a young male who hasn't yet developed that head crest. And he's making off with the scarlet heart.